Okay, hello, my name is Robert, and what I'm going to be doing is demoing my process crawler. It was written in C Sharp, but it also uses C++ methods or native C++ calls for the reading and writing of memory. So we're just going to demo this real quick, minimize our IDE, and this test program is what we're actually going to be using to uh, validate that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, that it is working. So we're going to refresh our processes, and we're going to find our test program. All right, we're going to enable the real-time feed on here, so it gives us what's currently in memory at whatever we're evaluating. So uh, one thing real quick is this 555444, that is a 32-bit integer. So stored internally, that's 4 bytes, and then our literal string is in wide character format, so it's going to be 2 bytes stored internally. But okay, so first off, let's search for 32-bit integer. So we're going to look for 555444. Let's do a search. So there it is, right there. All right, so we have it. All right, so what I'm going to do is attempt to write to it. So I'm going to change it to 6743. I don't know, anything, just something numerical. All right, and our write status, this will either give us a OK or failed. So I'm going to write to it, and we got an OK. So, and if you look here on its memory, this is actually what's in memory now. We actually changed the content of that variable. Now, if you look over here within the process, our test process, that is a label. So, and we haven't actually refreshed what the label is getting its data to be displayed. So if I click this button, this refresh variables, it's going to do exactly what it says. It's going to go out and it's going to get the data that's currently in the variable and redisplay it on the screen and redraw for us. So we're going to refresh, boom, 6743. All right. So, and I can do it again. I can change it, 55. Write to memory. There you go. It changed. Fresh, boom, same thing. So, okay, so that works. All right, now let's try this on a string. So let's try and manipulate our literal string. All right, so we're going to go down, and of these right now I have 4 bytes working. We can read standard 1 byte characters or 2 byte characters, so the wide string. So we're going to do the wide string, or wide characters, sorry, and we're going to look for literal string. All right, and search. Okay, so we got 3 values here. More than likely, one of these is the variable, and one of them is the actual the label. So there's the only way to actually do this is through trial and error. So we're going to try and update. We're going to try and change the contents within that variable to hello world. All right, so we're going to try and write. If it fails, it'll let us know. So write to memory. So it stayed okay. It didn't redisplay, but if you look here, what's in memory, we changed it. So if we refresh and get what's currently in that variable, hello world. All right, now let's change it to something else. While not null. All right. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that right there works as well. So this is pretty much just a very short demonstration of the process crawler that I created in C# using C++ calls. And there you go. That's it working in a nutshell.